this drum. Woof woof. Yes, that was an epic moment. Hi, today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture. Or a picture a day. So, if you are new to this series, which I recommend to watch all of the previous series episodes. Cool. Every day I come to YouTube. I get my calendar. I get my 2 pens that from yesterday, I don't know, something happened to them. But these ChokyChoco pens, just one day this one works, and the other day this one works, but this one no. So like this switch days. Yeah. Well, anyway. So yeah, I get my 2 pens because they're going crazy. I get my calendar and I draw stuff on it. So yeah, that's the best explanation Choky can give you. So yeah. Yay, this one works today. If you don't know, this is the good pen. This is the bad one. It's about to end. But anyway, yesterday it did perfectly fine. Come on. You're failing this job. The pen. I guess we'll have to get out the third monster out. Ta-da-da-dan, dan-dan-da-dan. Then, woof, woof. Da-da-dan, dan-da-dan. Yes, that was an epic moment. So technically we have 3 pens. Here, as always, I need to just like line this up to match it perfectly. Here, this, here, this, draw the line. Yeah, so this one is perfect. Okay, so here, we are going to draw a base with a flower. Okay, so I am going to start with the flower. This is the incorrect one. Here, this one is the correct one. I see. Look at this. A leaf. I know it's a bit taller, just I drew the base first. So yeah, like this. So I'm just going to draw like where, so the face doesn't take much space. So like guides, no cheeks, a smile. Now we have to do 1, 2, 3 squiggly lines, squiggles I mean. So yeah, now here, this is the vase, and like this, vase goes, and here is the water. I know it's a bit like messy. So yeah, now we are going to do the sparkles and spots method. So yeah, sparkle, spot, 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 sparkle, and spot, and here another sparkle, and another spot, like this. Okay, so for today we are finished. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget the likes, comments, and subscribes. Thanks for being here with me drawing this flower vase. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!